I keep slipping on rocks. I wanna fly away. I don't know where my home is. This one goes out to my homies. I'm like a bird. I wanna fly away. So beautiful. Welcome to Cholo Hiking.
Hey, what's up, y'all? So today we're gonna like bang on nature, but bang on nature in like a spiritual way, you know? Like right now we're gonna claim this river, and by claim I mean cross it. Let's go.
True love. A love story. Crossing the river. Yeah.
Two lovers.
I'll make a whole thing. And we'll put like epic music at this moment. You guys meet in the middle.
Orange Grove.
Family trail.
Shout out to Nate on this one too, representing strength through nature. What do you think I'm doing right now, baby? You come across any rattles?
Yeah, two rattlers and one mountain.
Shit. That's why I carry one of these. I got my little guy.
And I love it here.
Oh shit, he's got a blade.
Great outdoors, man. Look at that. And you guys can see it off in the distance. That's Lake Casitas. Oh, fucking man. It feels fucking great. Great to be out here. Yeah. Doing it for the booty. For the booty, yeah. Some do it for your own booty. And some do it just to get booty. Doing it for the booty. Doing it for the booty. Doing it for the booty, baby. Doing it for the booty. Doing it for the booty. Doing it for the booty, baby. Some do it for their own booty. Some do it just to get booty. And that's my song.
That's right.
Who's watching me?